Hello everyone, welcome back to Speak Easy English. I am Henry.
And I am Luna. Today we are going to talk about moving with a company.
That is right. Many people in Canada and the United States use professional moving services when they change apartments.
For example, in Canada, you may hear names like Two Men and a Truck or AMJ Campbell. They are big companies that people often use.
Yes, and there's also Canada Moving, which helps with both homes and offices.
In the United States, some popular names are U-Haul, Mayflower, and North American Van Lines.
U-Haul is very common because people can rent a truck or hire movers together.
Mayflower and North American Van Lines are good choices for long-distance moves, even across states.
So today, we will practice how to talk with a moving company.
We will show you the useful phrases step by step, from booking the movers to paying at the end.
This way, you can feel confident the next time you need to move.
All right, let's begin with how to find a moving company.
When you start looking for movers, the first step is often checking online or asking friends for recommendations.
Yes, many people in North America search on Google or local websites to compare moving services.
You can call the company and ask, "Are you available on Saturday?"
Repeat after us. Are you available on Saturday?
Or, "How much do you charge per hour?"
Repeat after us. How much do you charge per hour?
Some companies may also ask about the size of your apartment. For example, how many bedrooms do you have?
You can answer, I have a one-bedroom apartment or I have a two-bedroom apartment.
If you have many things, you can also say, "I have about 20 boxes and some furniture."
It is good to ask, do you provide the truck and movers?
Repeat after us. Do you provide the truck and movers?
And if you want to be sure about safety, ask, is insurance included?
Some people also compare reviews before choosing a company. You can say, "I read good reviews about your service."
That helps you decide which moving company to trust.
Once you have enough information, you can move on to booking the service.
After choosing a company, the next step is to confirm the details and make a booking.
You can call and say, "I would like to book a moving service for next Saturday."
Repeat after us. I would like to book a moving service for next Saturday.
The company may ask, "What time would you like us to arrive?"
You can reply, can you come at 9 a.m.?
Repeat after us. "Can you come at 9 a.m.?"
They may also ask about the number of movers you need. You can say, 2 movers are enough, or I need 3 movers.
It is also important to confirm the size of the truck. You can ask, "What size truck will you bring?"
Repeat after us. What size truck will you bring?
When everything is clear, you can say, "Great, I will confirm this booking."
The company may reply, we look forward to helping you on moving day.
Once the booking is done, you can start preparing your boxes.
Before moving day, it is important to pack your things carefully.
Yes, start with clothes and books. You can say, "I put my clothes in big boxes."
Repeat after us. I put my clothes in big boxes.
For fragile things like dishes and glasses, you should wrap them. You can say, "Please be careful. These are fragile."
Repeat after us. Please be careful. These are fragile. It is a good idea to write labels. For example, kitchen, bedroom, or bathroom.
You can also number your boxes and keep a list. That way you know if something is missing.
If you need special supplies, you can ask the company, do you provide packing materials?
For heavy items, remember to pack small. You can say, "This box is too heavy. I will make it smaller."
Repeat after us. This box is too heavy. I will make it smaller.
If you are packing electronics, it's good to say, please keep the TV upright.
That helps movers understand how to handle your things.
When everything is packed, you can put the boxes near the door for easy pickup.
Then you are ready for the moving company to arrive.
On moving day, the movers will arrive at your home first thing in the morning.
When they arrive, you can greet them and say, "Good morning. Thanks for coming."
Repeat after us. Good morning. Thanks for coming.
They may ask, "What items should we move first?"
You can answer, please start with the big furniture.
Repeat after us. Please start with the big furniture.
If you have fragile items, you should remind them. You can say, please be careful with the glass table.
Repeat after us. Please be careful with the glass table.
Sometimes movers will ask, where do you want this item to go?
You can reply, "This one goes to the bedroom," or "Put it in the kitchen, please."
If something is heavy, you can also ask, do you need help lifting this?
Most of the time, movers will handle it, but it is polite to ask.
Once the truck is loaded, you can check if everything is taken out of the house.
Then it's time to leave for your new apartment. When everything is on the truck, the movers will start driving to your new place.
During the trip, you may want to ask, how long will the drive take?
Repeat after us. How long will the drive take?
If you are worried about fragile items, you can say, please drive carefully, I have glass inside.
Some companies allow you to ride along. You can ask, "Can I travel in the truck with you?"
Repeat after us. Can I travel in the truck with you?
If not, you can follow in your own car and stay in contact by phone.
It is good to confirm, do you know the exact address of the new apartment?
If they are not sure, you can give directions and say, "Turn left at the next street."
Sometimes movers will call you if they are delayed. They might say, we are stuck in traffic.
You can reply, "Thank you for letting me know. I will wait at the new apartment."
When you are close to the destination, it helps to check, do you need a parking permit for the truck?
Once everything is clear, you can get ready to unload at your new home.
When the truck arrives at your new apartment, the movers will begin to unload everything.
You can guide them by saying, "Please put this sofa in the living room."
Repeat after us. Please put this sofa in the living room.
Or, "This box goes to the kitchen, please."
If you want something upstairs, you can say, carry this bed to the second floor.
Repeat after us. Carry this bed to the second floor.
Sometimes movers will ask, where should we place the boxes?
You can reply, "Put them near the wall," or "Stack them in the corner."
For heavy items, you may need to say, please set it down carefully.
If you notice damage, you can mention it politely. You can say, "I think this box is broken."
Repeat after us. I think this box is broken.
It is also helpful to check your list and confirm that all boxes have arrived.
Once everything is inside, you can thank the movers for their help.
After that, it is time to set up your furniture and make the new place feel like home. After unloading, the next step is to set up your basic furniture and important items.
You can ask the movers, please help me assemble the bed.
Repeat after us. Please help me assemble the bed.
If you need the table placed, you can say, put the dining table near the window.
Repeat after us. Put the dining table near the window.
For chairs or stools, you can guide them. You can say, "These stools go in the kitchen."
If you are arranging the living room, you can say, place the TV stand against this wall.
Repeat after us. Place the TV stand against this wall.
Sometimes movers may not assemble furniture. In that case, you can say, I will put it together myself.
When the main furniture is ready, you can also bring out essentials like bedding, dishes, and toiletries. That way, your first night in the new apartment will be comfortable.
Once everything is set, you can relax and enjoy your new home. After all the furniture is in place, it is time to clean up and finish the payment.
You can say, "Please take the empty boxes away."
Repeat after us. Please take the empty boxes away.
If you need help with trash, you can ask, "Can you move these packing materials outside?"
At the front desk or with the team leader, you may hear, how would you like to pay?
You can reply, "I would like to pay by card."
Repeat after us. I would like to pay by card. If you prefer, you can say, I will pay in cash.
Sometimes they will say, "Please sign here after payment."
You can reply, sure, here you go.
If part of the bill is not covered, they may say, "You need to pay the balance."
Repeat after us. You need to pay the balance.
Once everything is settled, you can say, "Thank you for your service."
Then your moving process is complete and you can enjoy your new home. Wow, look how much we learned today.
Yes, we covered how to find a moving company, book the service, pack boxes, and talk to movers on moving day.
We also practice unloading at the new apartment, setting up furniture, and making the final payment.
These are real phrases you can use for moving in Canada or the United States.
Now let's practice with one short role play.
I'll be the customer and Luna will be the mover.
Good morning. What should we move first?
Please start with the sofa.
All right. Where would you like this box?
Put it in the kitchen, please.
Okay, all done. Anything else?
That's great. Thank you for your help.
Now, here's your challenge. Let's see what you remember.
1. What is one way to ask about the price of movers?
2. What phrase do you use to protect fragile items?
3. How do you tell movers where to place furniture?
If you missed anything, listen again and practice saying the phrases.
For extra practice, act out the moving day with a friend.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe.
Thank you for joining us today, and good luck with your next move.
See you next time.
Bye for now.